Hey guys, Dr. Courtney, CEO and founder of Smile Pop here in New York City. I just wanted to talk about how easy it is to use our Smile Pop aligner cleansing and whitening foam. A bottle of this is about a month's worth of nighttime application. Step 1, take the cap off. Step 2, you're going to want to take the nozzle and pump some foam into the aligner and slowly use the nozzle to spread it in that aligner or retainer, and you just want to make sure it spreads nice and even. You don't have to use much because you're actually going to spit out the excess. But once you put the aligner foam in the aligner or the retainer, you're going to put it on and then spit out the excess. Super easy. And I would repeat this for both the top and bottom teeth. So again, you're going to take the aligner foam, push down on the nozzle, spread the foam into the tray, and then put it in like that. Spit out the excess. And it's safe to wear this overnight while you sleep. It's safe to use this if you have attachments on your teeth. It's safe to use this in your bleaching trays, your clear aligners, in your clear retainers. It's minty fresh as well, so it's gonna help not only keep the aligners fresh, it's gonna gently whiten your teeth while you sleep. The active ingredient for teeth whitening is peroxide. So it has a safe amount of carbamide peroxide and a little bit of toothpaste in there to whiten your teeth while you sleep.